In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your sales by product or service in QuickBooks Online. This is a crucial capability for any business owner or accountant who wants to stay on top of their sales performance and make informed decisions. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first want to click on Reports, located on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online interface. This is your gateway to a variety of insightful data that QuickBooks can provide. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll notice several tabs. For our purposes, head over to the Standard Reports tab. Scrolling down, you'll find a section labeled Sales and Customers. This is where QuickBooks categorizes reports that are most relevant to sales tracking and customer insights. In this section, locate and click on Sales by Product or Service Summary. Selecting this option will generate a report that specifically breaks down your sales figures according to each of your products or services. Be prepared for a short loading time as QuickBooks processes your request and compiles the data. Once the report is loaded, you'll be able to see a comprehensive summary detailing sales figures categorized by the individual products or services your business offers. This level of detail allows you to quickly assess how each product or service is performing, identify trends, and make strategic adjustments to boost your sales strategy. This report equips you with powerful data that can be used to analyze which products or services are your best sellers, which ones might require some attention, or which could benefit from a marketing push. By keeping an eye on these metrics regularly, you'll be better positioned to understand customer preferences and refine your offerings accordingly. And that's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've generated a powerful sales report that gives you insights crucial for managing your business efficiently. Use this report not only to understand your current sales performance, but also as a foundation for forecasting future performance or planning inventory and resource allocation. With this knowledge, you're more than prepared to make data-driven decisions that can propel your business to new heights. I hope you found this walkthrough on tracking your sales by product or service in QuickBooks Online both straightforward and insightful. Keep this handy whenever you need to assess your sales performance. Thank you for tuning in, and don't hesitate to explore further to make the most out of what QuickBooks can offer for your business operations.